When was the last time you got up in the middle of the night or in the last third of the night to pray to your Lord? And if the answer usually is, well, I don't really do that. I mean, I just try to do my 5 daily prayers. I'm just happy if I can get that in. And I tell them, I say, listen, if you're cutting off your connection with Allah, how are you going to get better? You can't expect your iman to just get fixed all of a sudden on its own. It's not going to happen. You have to take steps for you to become a better Muslim. You have to take steps to reach that level of iman. When it comes to Qiyam al-Layl, one of the advices I often give, and I give this advice because this was the advice given to me by my teachers, is if you want to pray Qiyam al-Layl, all you have to do is just try it. And I'm not talking about spending a third of the night praying or half of the night praying. I'm saying get up 10 minutes before Fajr. Just 10 minutes before Fajr. And we know the Prophet told us that it is the last third of the night where Allah Azza wa Jal comes down to the lowest parts of the heaven and He asks, He says, which one of my servants is seeking my forgiveness that I may forgive them? And which one of my servants is seeking my mercy that I may be merciful for them? Which one of my servants is asking of me that I may give to them? And that third of the night is still there in the last 10 minutes before Fajr. So all I'm saying is wake up 10 minutes before Fajr. Not an hour, not 2 hours before Fajr, 10 minutes before Fajr. And try and pray Qiyam al-Layl and experience this amazing spiritual nature that Allah Azza wa Jal has given us.